start with deep breathing practice. Spine straight, eyes closed. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now gently open your eyes. Now let's start with neck stretching. Inhale and look up. Exhale and down. Continue doing it up and down. Do it gently and slowly. Practice deep breathing. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Now place your one hand on right shoulder and gently rotate it clockwise to relax the tension of shoulders. Continue rotating your shoulder clockwise. Make sure your spine is straight. You are relaxed. Keep going. Now switch to anti-clockwise direction. As you have done the clockwise, now switch to anti-clockwise. Now relax and switch the side, placing your left hand on your left shoulder and rotating it clockwise. Feel the tension melting. Keep going. Now switch to anti-clockwise direction as we have done. Switch to anti-clockwise. Now relax. Take some oil. Gently pat it on your face and neck area. Do not rub it. Gentle pat on face and neck. Feel the warmth of your oil on the face and start with fingertip tapping slowly and gently on your forehead. Tap on your temple, under eyes, cheeks, your jaw. Keep tapping, activating muscle, boosting blood flow and oxygenation to the face and neck. Gently tap your neck and your collarbone. And now start with neck rubs. Rub the side of the neck. Feel the fluid draining on the collarbone. Now place your fingers on front of the neck and drain it till the collarbone, releasing puffiness. Last 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now place your first and second finger on the eyebrow center and gently lift it up. Do this gently and slowly, relaxing the glabella area, preventing frown lines and relaxing the tension of the frontalis muscle, the forehead muscle. Keep going. Make sure your spine is straight. Now relax and gently move your shoulders. Now take your index finger, place on the forehead and make crisscross all across the forehead. Do it gently and slowly. Keep going. Last 3, 2, 1 and relax. Now take your ring finger, place under the eye and glide it till the outer corner of the eye, making a semicircle, relaxing tired eyes and deepening your eye. Keep going. Keep your eyes closed. Make semicircle. Relax your eyes. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now place your ring finger and middle finger on the temple area and gently massage your temples, the eyebrow end, relaxing the tension, demelting all the tension and stress from the face area. Now from the temples, lift your temples and drain till the collarbone, deepening your eyes. From the temple, lift your temple and come to the collarbone, draining the puffiness. Now place your first and second finger on the collarbone and glide it outwards. Sweep your finger outwards. Now place your first and second finger on the neck center and glide it outward, preventing those thick neck, those horizontal lines, the neck bands that has formed on the neck area. Keep going. Now place your first and second finger on the ear and give yourself ear massage, draining all the toxins from here, stimulating lymph flow. Keep it gentle, keep it slow. Continue massaging your ears from your index finger and your middle finger. Now relax, place your knuckle on the mentalis muscle, the chin, and glide it till the jaw end. Keep going, keep gliding your knuckle from the chin till the jaw end one by one, sharpening the jaw area. Now do the both glides simultaneously, focusing on both the sides of your jaw. Now place your index finger folded on the mouth corners and lift it till the earlobes, lifting the lower cheek area. Keep going, lifting the lower cheek area. Now gently place your index finger on one side of the mouth corner and lift it till your ears, lifting only one side of the cheek. Gently switch the side doing this. Keep going. Make sure you are not stretching your skin and you can reapply face oil whenever needed. Now place your index finger folded on smile lines, lift it to the side of the nose, making a big O, stretching the lip muscles and focusing on the smoothing smile lines. Now relax and place your first and second finger on side of the nose and gently make small circles to relax the nasalis muscle and deep of the nose. Do this gently. Now lift your fingers till the under eye and sweep outwards till the outer corner of the eye. Lift and sweep, relaxing your nose and your eyes. Now place your first and second finger on temple and squint your eyes, strengthening the eye muscle. Now take your index finger and thumb and gently pinch your temples upward, relaxing the frontalis muscle and the temporalis muscle. Keep pinching it gently upwards. Now from here drain till the collarbone, from forehead till the collarbone, a complete face drainage to release puffiness from the face. Now let's end this beautiful session with deep breathing. Spine straight, eyes closed. Take a deep breath and breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now gently rub your palms. Place it on your eyes. Feel the warmth of your hands on your face. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you loved the session and you are now relaxed. Your face muscles are relaxed.